In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process and we only need a Phillips head screwdriver to do this. So let's get started. And that's the Phillips head screwdriver, right? So get one that looks like that. Now we need to take those two screws off. So let's go ahead and get those screws off and make sure you don't lose them. Keep them somewhere safe. Now we need to get the light out. In order to get the light out, you need to sort of press on the light and then slide it out, okay? Press on it and slide it out and it's gonna pop and I want you to see it, and that's okay. So don't be scared because there is an electrical connector that holds it in place. It won't just fly right off, okay? That's the electrical connector right there. In order to get it off, press it over there and pull it off. Off it comes. Now once you have the light out, once you get the light out, that's the turn signal bulb there. And in order to access it, we have to get that gray bulb holder out. First, let's get that wire out of the hook. That gives us some room to play. Now, twist that gray bulb holder left, like 1/8 of a turn, and out it comes. In order to get the bulb off, it's very easy. All we have to do is just grab the bulb, push it down, twist it left, and out it comes. The replacement bulb type is 1156. Put the new bulb in, push it down, twist it right, and we're done. There are some tabs on the bulb holder there. One of them is bigger than the rest. Similarly in the light as well, there's one slot which is bigger than the rest. Align the big tab with the big slot, put the bulb holder back in, make sure it's sitting flush like that, and then twist it right to secure it in place. Done. Let's not also forget to put those wires back in the hook over there. Alright, now we can put the light back in the body. Now that slot over there and those two pins over there, that's what keeps the light in the body. Those two pins go there and the slot goes in that tab right there. Putting the light back in is much easier as opposed to taking it off. So let's go ahead and now just connect the electrical connector. It only goes in one way. Slide it, locked. Now let's align those two pins there and the slot with the tab, right? See, the light sits in, looks good. All you have to do now is just give it a bit of a push. Done. And now we can go and put those two screws back in and tighten them. All right. And now let's go check out the light. Now that looks good, right?